Now let's set the PGPC interface. First of all, I'm here in the hardware configuration. I've got to go back to the Somatic Manager. So down here on the bottom, I will click the Somatic Manager icon, and I'm going to choose Options. Set PGPC interface. You'll see a window will open, and we want to choose PC Adapter Auto, and then choose or click on Properties. I will choose Local Connection. Make sure you choose USB if that's the type of MPI port or cable that we're using, and that's what I'm using. So I'll choose USB. Then I go back to Automatic Bus Profile Detection and Start Network Detection. If this window appears with MPI, then you have established communications with your PLC. I will click Close and OK and OK. We will now need to switch back to the hardware configuration window here. We will save and compile the hardware configuration by clicking this button, which says Save and Compile. We will then download the hardware configuration by clicking the Download the Module button. This is our CPU. We'll say OK. Another window will open. It says Select Node Address. You remember earlier we talked about naming the node, and we named this one too. If you're not sure, you can click the View button here, and it will show you the accessible node that you're connected to. If these two numbers do not match, you simply come here and change this to whatever the accessible node is, and then click OK. This window is fine. Download the module. I'll click OK. And we just downloaded a hardware configuration to our PLC. Now we're going to go back to the Somatic Manager window here. And if you'll see, there's a plus sign now beside the Somatic 300. I'll click the plus. You'll see your CPU. I will click that again. You'll see S7 program. I will click that plus. And if I click on blocks, you'll notice over here an OB1 will appear. I am going to double click this OB1 and a window will appear. Here in this window, I can choose how I want to program my PLC. I can choose between ladder programming, or I can choose between statement listing, ladder, or function block. We're going to use ladder programming. So I'll choose that, and I will click OK. You will now see another window open, and we are now ready to start programming our PLC.